Step 1. Remove M1 shell. Step 2. Tilt M1 in an upwards position. Step 3. Remove 4 screws that connect to the black hub. Step 4. Remove the protection disc. Step 5. Remove the M6 screw. Special head is required. PH3 socket bit. Step 6. Remove the cutting bearing module. Step 7. Remove 4 screws that is connected to the bearing seat. Step 8. Remove the bearing seat. Step 9. Remove the 4 screws that connect to the cutting deck. Step 10. Remove the cutting deck. Step 11. Install the new cutting deck. Step 12. Install the 4 new screws that connect to the cutting deck. Step 13. Install bearing seat and install the 4 screws. Apply Loctite 242 on screws beforehand. Step 14. Install new cutting bearing module. Step 15. Install M6 screw. Special head is required. PH3 socket bit. Step 16. Install the new protection disc. Step 17. Install 4 new screws onto the black hub. Loctite 242 is already pre-applied.